In this video I will show you how to use image on slide. Insert the image. Go to crop, choose aspect ratio 16:9. Copy the text and paste it. Make the text visible by turning the color to white since the image is dark. Now we have our first photo background. Go to Format Shape and reduce the brightness of the image to make the text more visible. Let us make another design. Insert a rectangle shape. Cover the entire slide. Go to Format Shape and increase the transparency. Send the rectangle shape to back. Increase the transparency to how you like. Let's create another design. Duplicate the previous slide. Click on the text and change the color. Click the shape and change its color. Now we have another design. Now we created three simple designs by using one image.